friends, I'm glad you popped in. Today we're making chicken paprikash in the Instant Pot. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn on the saute function, and I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Let that get hot. I caught some chicken quarters on sale, so I've already got mine cut up. I used about 3 chicken quarters, so it's got about 6 pieces of chicken, and that's what I'm going to use. But you can use your own choice. Just have about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken.
You'll need to brown your chicken about 3-4 minutes per side, and you may need to brown it in batches according to how many pieces that you have.
I'm going to cook this onion and bell pepper till the onions become translucent. Probably about 3, maybe 4 minutes.
Notice that the liquid from the onions and the bell peppers is really helping with the deglazing process.
I'll put the exact measurements for the spices down below and in the description, but I have some onion powder, salt and pepper. I have paprika as well as smoked paprika. Cup of chicken broth, and I'm using these diced tomatoes with green chilies. You can use some just diced tomatoes, or you can chop up a tomato if you have a fresh one. I have a tablespoon of tomato paste. I'm going to put the chicken back in. I'm going to cancel the saute function. On the lid, make sure it's in the sealing position, and I'm going to set it for 15 minutes. timer's gone off and it's natural released for almost 20 minutes, but you only have to natural release it for about 10. So I've released the pressure and the pin is dropped here. So I'll take that off. Smells so good. If you like, you can add like a tablespoon of flour to like 3/4 cup of sour cream and stir that into the broth after you've removed your chicken to thicken it. That tastes really good. You can serve this over noodles, rice, or serve it with some mashed potatoes. You can also, if you don't like the bone in there, you can remove that before you serve it. Just kind of up to you. Look at all those goodies. It smells so good too.